All right, so right now I'd like to do is explain how to measure a door. So here's a door lead. We already take out the other door, but the best way to measure a door is to look at the seam of the door where the door and the jamb are, and you go from the jamb here all the way through to the jamb on the other side. So this door here, if you could zoom in, come into the tape. Right here we got the measurements of 59 and 7/8, or 59 and 15/16. So that's the measurements from the inside jamb here to the inside jamb there. And that's the width of the door, but we have to add ½ inch of the jamb and ½ inch of the jamb so you can allow for what the outside is going to be. And for the height, you want to go from the bottom of the sill to the top of the inside of the jamb, which would be right here. And at that corner there, that's 96 inch and a quarter. So the bottom is pretty much on the concrete. It's over 1/8 of an inch worth of a sill, and the top is to the bottom of the jamb. So the correct measurements is, right now it's showing 96 and a quarter, but the thickness of the jamb is about ½ an inch usually, between ½ to 5/8. So it's safe to add ½ inch of that, and that would be the dimension for the height of the door. So this is measuring 96 and a quarter plus ½ inch, it'll be 96 and 3/4. That will be the measurements for this door. Let's allow the crew to take out the door and get going with the job. Thank you guys.